Today I'm gonna present about our website FearOG, which is designed for enterprise. First one, I'm gonna talk about our group member. There are 6 members in our group: Lê Đình Đông, Châu Tiến Phong, Lê Hồng Hiệp, Vũ Hoài Thảo My, Nguyễn Hình Triệu Tỷ, and me. We should Node.js, HTML, CSS, and MongoDB to design the web. As you can see, this is about our source code, and we use MVC model for easily management and control this web. About the source code, we upload the source code on the GitHub for every team member can work together. Second one, I'm going to talk about the website deployment. Heroku is a best way to work with the not Node.js. It's deploy our website on the FearOG.herokuapp.com. Next one, we use Cello for the text management. As you can see there, this is our task management on our task and action on the website, on the design and planning. One more thing is the mail gun. We choose mail gun for supporting our website to send mail notification to the user. This about introduction. So to continue this presentation, I will talk about the roles and the user in the website. There are 3 main roles: staff, quality installment coordinator, and quality installment management, who is admin. About the staff, first one, I'm talk about the homepage of our website. This is the header to show about the example account for tester can use that account to test our website. So I'm gonna test the staff role. A staff who can read new event, user detail, category, ID, and term and listen. As you can see on the header, we show on the action to move to the page of news, event, ID, and category. So staff only can read new like this. This is the new list and event list. Also, staff can create event and ID. This is the ID list, and this is the category list. So staff can create only event ID and also interactive on every ID on the website. There are 2 main action on idea: inline and inline. So staff can line an idea and align idea. One more thing, that staff can edit their out profile and change their password. This is the user detail. The change password button and edit profile button can also see if this user detail page is there. Next role is quality quality assurance coordinator. As a QAC, they can do all staff action, and also they can create news, edit and delete temporary new event ID and category. And another action is also same with the staff. This is the user interface of QAC. They can also see the management by of new event ID category, but not user. This and they can create, edit, read, and delete every data in the website, but in a temporary. So I will do one example in a delete event. The event is deleted, but also saved in the database because of it the temporary delete and the admin who will quality assurance manager can permanent, permanently delete data in the website. And last one is admin. As admin, they can do all action on the website like create, edit, read, and delete the data in the website. Also, the user detail or anything. As admin, they can see the delisted by of data in the website, so they can permanently delete it from database. For example, I will delete this user with head username E1 and role is staff. Also, they can restore it to the user interface for using. When deleted, this website will appear the model for notification to the admin, which they as they should delete it from the database. So the that user has been deleted from the database and cannot be used by everyone. As admin, they have more function in the website like they can receive mail when a category created with their own category, and they can download all files which have been submitted by user and download all of them as a compressor file. This is the button. So I will download this. So you can see that all the file has been downloaded as compressor file. And there I have been designed one more function that chatbot for delete multiple items in the website. They can delete more than one item in the website, so that admin can easily manage data in website. Last one I will talk about the functions in the website. There are nine functions that user require in the website is list most view or list ID on ID page and file ID is page. So you can see this is the ID page of our website. It only show file ID which are most interactive and most earliest. This is the category and this is the file to support that idea. They can also comment on this idea and comment as anonymous. Next function is register. If you register new account, you need to agree the term and listen with our website design. So I will sign up one example account for this website. Uh, Name is example account. Password is what you define. Oh, one more thing is the username and the password need to be have at least 5 characters, and they need to accept the term and condition to register. If not, it cannot register. After register, the page will move to the home page with have their our account. This is no information because of they have not created their username. If they change their name here, so this will appear their name. Here, for example, I change this full name to Istanbul full name, and it has been changed on that header, uh, and also changed in the database. We have to the increase password for security. They use the information. So there is no field of password in this database because of the password has been encrypted to this zone and this hash. Next one is the change password. If you change password, the password will know that this is the new password and automatically to encrypt it to the hash password. Uh, so you can see the example account with hash is C9F5, and I change to another password. There will appear the notification of the password have been changed and also changed in this database on MongoDB. Um, so the password has been changed to FA to C. Next function is the user can log in and comment an ID as anonymous. So I will comment on this ID. If I not choose the comment as anonymous, it will appear my name. This, but if you choose the comment as anonymous, it will not appear your name, and it appear the anonymous account. So here, next function is interactive on an idea. There are only two action on one idea is a line in line. If you like, the rating of this idea will increase one, and if not, it will decrease one. You can do this action on all idea in the website. Mm. So next function is also if you create new account, the account will automatically choose your role as staff, and only admin can change your roles to QAC or QAM. So if you is a staff, you can do several action on the website, and if that action which are not allowed for your roles, it will appear notification to as you know. For example, I move to the user base, so this is the admin base. The role staff is not allowed it. And if you not log into the website, you will anonymous. You can also read new or event, but cannot create or do interactive on any website. For example, I move to the user base. It will ask you to log in first. If not, they will never move to the base you want. And the last one is about the category. A category will have several fields about the deadline submit, deadline comment, and there are two main field in category. So when an admin create a new category, they will need to create the deadline submit and deadline comment. For example, I create a new category with name example category, and deadline submit is today, and deadline comment is tomorrow. A category has been created and saved in a database like this. And if a category have no idea submitted, they can be deleted from the database. But if have at least one idea in the category, they cannot be deleted. It's the user requirement asked about. And as a user, I can create new idea on the category by move to the category index and click on the button create new. So you can create a example idea, example detail, and if you want, you can submit file to support your idea. In this, I to this file and create. Oh, that cannot. That cannot be created because of the deadline submit is today in the earliest morning. So if I want to create, I need to create the category which has the deadline is the future day. So about the comment, it also like that's the deadline I submit. The category need to the ID need to in the edit of the deadline, so the user can comment. If not, they cannot comment. I have add one more function in this website is the soft delete. The data in website can be deleted by a QAC and admin, but it not delete permanently from the database because of this is the stop delete, and it will delete from the user interface, and it's still stored in the database. So the admin can restore it from database, and or they can permanently delete from the database. In the trash base. About the one more function is the automatically send mail to the user. That's when a category delete, they will send a mail. Here you can see this is the mail I have been created 6 minutes ago. This will talk about the idea have been created in the website, and it send the mail to the admin or the users idea or category. So when I comment in example idea, and it will appear the mail to the user. And we use the mailgun to do reaction because of the mailgun supported for reaction to automatically send mail. Here you can see the mailgun. When a mail has been sent, so it will appear the notification to this website. Here, this is about the comment, the automatically send mail to website. Here is the content I have been created several minutes ago. And here is the mail has been sent successful, and this is not. So that's all about our website. Thanks for listening.